The CLS will come to the starting line in April 2021 with a sharpened design. The front end in particular, with new radiator grills and bumpers, expresses the dynamism of the four-door coupe even more strongly. At the same time, the interior has been upgraded with additional leather and trim combinations as well as a new generation of steering wheel. A latest generation diesel with integrated starter generator expands the model range. A strictly limited special model of the Mercedes-AMG CLS 53 4MATIC Plus, combined fuel consumption 9.0 to 8.7 L/100 km, combined CO2 206 to 199 G/km, one forms the sporty-exclusive spearhead. The modernized CLS celebrates its world premiere in April, and the first models arrive at European dealers in July.